Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play session cricket. Session cricket divides a full match into distinct periods of play, usually lasting around 90 minutes each. These sessions are separated by scheduled breaks like lunch or tea. During each session, teams focus on achieving specific goals, whether it's accumulating runs while batting or taking crucial wickets when bowling. It's a strategic game of offense and defense, requiring constant adaptation from both sides. When batting in a session, your primary goal is to score as many runs as possible while preserving your wicket. Building strong partnerships with your fellow batter is crucial for sustained scoring. Focus on rotating the strike to keep the scoreboard ticking and capitalize on loose deliveries by hitting boundaries. Always adapt your technique to the pitch conditions and the specific bowling attack you face, aiming for a high run rate. As a bowler, your objective is to take wickets and limit the opposition's run rate within the session. Delivering consistent lines and lengths is key to building pressure and forcing errors from the batters. Fielders play a vital role, needing to be sharp and agile to take catches and prevent runs. Effective communication and teamwork among all 11 players are essential to create wicket-taking opportunities and control the flow of the game. At the end of each session, teams evaluate their performance against their preset goals. A successful session might mean scoring over 100 runs or taking 3 or more wickets. Teams constantly adjust their strategies based on how the session unfolds, adapting to the opponent's play. Winning individual sessions builds significant momentum, contributing greatly to the overall match outcome. Analyzing performance helps refine tactics for subsequent sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.